Let's discuss one more question of double derivative. See this one. X is given to you, x, then derivative of x dx by dt, a derivative of cos minus of sin t plus. See there, t and sin t. Normally student do the mistake, they take this as a one function, but actually it is a product of two function. So we take the derivative with the help of u into v. So it is a derivative of cos minus sin t. Now derivative by u into v, first function as it is, derivative of second plus second function as it is, derivative of first. Dx by dt is equals to a minus of sin t plus t into cos t plus sin t. So this sin t and this sin t get cancelled. Dx by dt is equals to a t into cos t. So this is the value of dx by dt. Now y is given to a sin t minus t cos t. dy by dt is equals to a derivative of sin cos t minus outside u into v, first function as it is, derivative of second plus second function as it is, derivative of first. A cos of t minus minus plus t sin t minus cos t. This get cancelled. It is a t sin t. It is the value of dy by dt. Now see this one. You know about the dx by dt. You know about the dy by dt. We calculate here dy by dx. That is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, it is a t sin t upon it is a t cos t. This a and t cancel. Your answer is tangent of t. Now dy by dx is equals to tangent t double derivative d square y upon dx square. Derivative of tangent, that is secant square t. Normally the student write down the derivative, but they forget to write down the derivative of this t. But remember, in case of parametric function, you must remember this formula, this concept, because if the question contain 4 marks, the CBSE will provide only 2 marks up to here, and the last step is important, and he provide the 2 marks for these 2 lines. So this step is quite important. Derivative of tangent secant square t, derivative of t, it is dt by dx. Now it is secant square t upon dt by dx. See this one, dx by dt is equals to a t cos t, but dt by dx is equals to reciprocal a t cos t. So it become 1 upon a t secant cube t. So this is the derivative of function. But remember, sometime he provide the value to us. For example, he provide the value of t. Say find y2 at t is equals to pi by 3, means at 60 degree. In that case, we substitute the value. We write here dy by dx square at t is equals to pi by 3. 1 upon a into t pi by 3. This 3 will be transferred. It is secant cube pi by 3. It is equals to 3 upon a into pi secant 60. It is a reciprocal of cos. Cos 60 1 by 2. So secant 60 is equals to 2. So it is equals to 2 its cube. 2 cube is equals to 8. So answer is 24 upon a and pi. If you want to substitute the value of pi, you can 22 by 7. After simplification, it is 11, it is 12. So your answer is 84/11a. So this is the derivative of implicit function, especially higher order derivative.